It's been a very long time, and here's a Talk Tech. Happy new month to you guys all. Today, the odds from the hacked app is what I'm going to give you. And last 2 days, I gave two sure and fixed correct scores in my Telegram VVIP group, of which we won the two sure correct scores from the hacked app. Okay, so as you can see on the screen, this is what I posted in my VVIP group, of which I gave my people the two sure correct scores that we won something from. So today I've decided to give correct scores from the hacked app to you guys so as to try your luck on. One thing I want you to know is that the odds from the hacked app, it is their predictions, okay, but they have 97 to 99% winning assured. So that is what I'm going to give you. So I'll give you the correct scores, the halftime correct scores, and their 50 plus odds for the day. Okay, so if you are new to this channel, make sure you do subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I post new video concerning giving out odds, you are going to get it. Like this video, and also do not forget to share this video to your friends so as to benefit from this video. And also check the video description. The Telegram group is there. Tap on the Telegram group, then you join the Telegram group, of which I drop day-to-day tips in the Telegram group. Now let's get into the odds. The two correct scores are Etoile de Sahel versus Club Africain. It is 1-1. Correct score is 1-1, of which it is given an odd of 5 odd. The second match is in Tunisia League A, and it is the match between Gibbs versus EGS Gafsa, and the correct score is 1-0 in favor of Gibbs, which is given an odd of 4.35 odds. So these are the two correct scores from the hacked app. Now let's go to the multi-correct scores. With the multi-correct scores, Marseille versus Le Havre, the correct score is 2-0 or 2-1 in favor of Marseille. The second multi-correct score is Cape Town City versus Kaiser Chiefs, and they tipped 1-0 in favor of Kaiser Chiefs or 1-1, which is given an odd of 5 odds. Next is Polokwane versus Sakakune, and they tipped 1-0 in favor of Polokwane or 1-1, which is given an odd of 4.9 odds. And also their halftime full-time prediction is 1. Marseille versus Le Havre. Marseille to win first half and full time, which is given an odd of 1.85 odds. Liverpool versus Manchester United. They tipped first half win for Liverpool and full time win for Liverpool, which is also given an odd of 1.85. The next is Fenerbahce versus Antalyaspor. They tipped first half win for Fenerbahce and full time win for Fenerbahce, which is given an odd of 1.5. So these are the predictions from the hacked app across the correct scores, multi-correct scores, and halftime full-time win on their app. Okay, so make sure you try your luck on these odds and let you know how these odds are going to bless us for today. Remember, this is predictions from their app, okay, and as I said, it is 97 to 99% winning assured, so you can just try your luck on these odds. Okay, and as a disclaimer, I disclaim that this is not a financial advice, but I'm always showing you how I make money through staking. So therefore, I am not responsible for any profit or loss through this video. Make sure you do your own research. Do your own research before you stake, and stake what you can afford to lose, because this is about staking, and you know how the market goes up and sometimes goes down. Okay, here's a Talk Tech, and if you like watching content like this, make sure you do subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I post new video concerning giving out odds from any hacked app, you are going to get it. Like this video, and also do not forget to share this video to your friends so as to benefit from this video. And remember, make sure you join the Telegram group so that you get a day-to-day update concerning giving out odds from the various hacked app. We shall meet again in the next video. Greetings once again.